An 1176 is one of the best compressors you can reach for when producing vocals. As a healthy start point, use a 4:1 ratio and dial in the input until you're getting about 5 to 10 dB of gain reduction, and then adjust the output accordingly. You want to make sure on your meter that the output is more or less the same amplitude when the 1176 is on and when it's off, so as to be sure that the compressor is actually adding to your production and that you're not just liking what the compressor is doing simply because it's making everything louder. After this, we're on to the most important things, attack and release settings. Just to cover some of the basics for people who are new to music production, attack time is how long it takes for the compression kick in. Now, on an 1176, even a slow attack time, which means the knob turned counterclockwise, is still pretty fast. For vocals, I would suggest with starting somewhere around 10 or 12 o'clock for a fast but not super fast attack time. It still lets some of the transient information through. And for release time, we can go a little faster to around 2 or 4 o'clock. FYI, with an 1176, counterclockwise means slower and clockwise means faster. Let's hear it in action.
Mark on this earth where I left my heart. Yes, I am a dreamer, but I'm